Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to delete a Facebook account on your PC or laptop. Open that account which you want to delete. Friends, I want to delete this Facebook account because I already have a similar page like this. Today I will show you how you can delete your existing Facebook account. To delete this account, click on the profile icon on the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Then you will find Account Setting option. From the left menu, click on Your Facebook Information. Here at the bottom you will find Deactive and Deletion. Click on that and you will find two options. One is Deactivate Account and another is Delete Account. If you want to temporarily deactivate your account, select Deactivate Account and click on the blue button Continue to Account Deactivation. If you want to delete your account, then select Delete Account and then click on the blue button Continue to Account Deletion. I want to delete my account, so that I am clicking on Continue to Account Deletion. Here you will find three different options. One is Deactivate Account. Second one is Download your Facebook information. You can download your Facebook information which account you are going to delete, and then you can transfer or make a copy of your Facebook information. If you want to do anything of these three, you can click on those buttons. I don't want to keep any data, so that I am going to click on Delete Account. Here, type your Facebook password and then click on Continue. Confirm permanent account deletion. Tap on Delete Account. Your Facebook account will be deleted. If you want to change your mind and don't want to delete your account, then you can log into your account and you will find the Cancel Deletion option. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope it was very helpful for you. Please give a like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.